There's 60, rotate.
Oh.
Looks good.
Yeah, so now you can spin that back to like 2,500.
Don't want to climb too steeply, want to see what's in front of us.
Yep. And pull your manifold pressure back to 25 inches also. There you go. Lovely.
Cool.
Oh, it's so smooth today.
Yeah, this is
my
good.
favorite days.
This is a lot better than yesterday.
Oh, yesterday was awful. It felt like it was in a washing machine on tumble mode or dryer.
Where do you want to go?
Well, let's go down towards the house.
All right. When would you make a call saying you're departing?
Well, you should call Crosswind right now.
Yeah.
Call Crosswind.
Zeli traffic, Skylane 42364, left crosswind, runway 35, Zelienople.
Alright. Very good. Now you're downwind.
Yep. Zeli traffic, Skylane 42364 is left downwind, runway 35, and we'll be departing a pattern to the south, above Zelienople. Bring back the mixture?
Well, yes and no. So what I would do, and we're not in any hurry, is I would pull your manifold pressure back to like 22 inches. There you go. Okay, right there's fine. And then pull your prop back to 2,400. 2,350 actually is what I think you should do. 2,350 on the prop. Okay, and your manifold pressure will climb because of that. Alright, so that's a good setting. Close your cowl flaps. Out. And now, immediately bring your gallons per hour back to 13.
Titusville traffic, Cardinal 11625.
You'll see your EGT climbing.
Turning upwind for runway 1, Titus.
I felt a little rough right there. Okay, so enriching. Good. Now you're set.
Cool.
Simple as that.
Level off around here.
Yeah, it's perfect. And head towards Pittsburgh.
Cool.
Titusville traffic, Cardinal 11625 is turning downwind, runway 1.
Head toward Pittsburgh or our house?
Our house. Which is still towards Pittsburgh. There's that Weaver Master Builder's plan where Jeff and Mary Martin live. I sold it to them, that's how I know.
Can I make a last call?
Yeah.
Zelienople traffic, Skylane 42364 is departing to the south. Last call, Zelienople.
There's Larry Intahar's house. The woods. Hello, Larry. There's your old abode.
Would you keep your landing light on right now or turn it off?
I would leave it on for safety.
Yeah.
Because it's LED, so it means nothing as far as pulling any power.
Okay.
Feel nice and cool, all the temperatures are.
Yeah, I gotta get used to looking at that. Normally I just look over there and be like, oh, in the green.
I know. That's good. You can look there and here.
Yeah.
I do the both. Alright, I'm going to put right tank on for a little bit.
Okay.
I have the heaters working good.
Yeah, it is. Toasty.
Do you have your carbon monoxide thing still in here?
Yeah, it's in the glove compartment.
Okay.
Off. Yeah. Hey, there's our house. I have a blue tarp on the partial on my pool. Ugh. Hey, Mom is just leaving.
You can see her leave.
Yeah, she's backing out of the garage.
Ah, we should follow her.
Yeah, I've done that before.
I know, she told me. Funny.
I see your Christmas lights. No, I don't. We are hauling ass.
Yeah, we are.
175 MPHs. It's smooth. Patrick, hello Patrick.
He saw us.
Did he?
Yeah, he just texted you. That's not a UFO, that's you.
Yep.
Why, did you text him before?
No, he just saw me.
Ah.
Mom is gone.
Oh no.
There she is, right,
yeah, I
right
saw
through
her.
the neighborhood there.
Yep.
Get her. I'll turn left and you get her down there. She's right down there.
Oh, there she goes, turning on to Myoma.
Zelienople traffic, Skyhawk 573, taxi, pump the contour.
Look at this dude's garage here.
Oh yeah, I remember seeing him build that. Wow, he hasn't gone very far.
No, and then here's the lottery guy, my buddy Scott.
Yeah.
He's just sold that, like $2 million.
That garage is gonna be sweet.
Yeah. All right, you have the controls.
My controls. Butler?
Yeah.
Nope, not that one. Oh.
All right, you're 5 miles out, so you can tell them we're southwest.
What runway do you think it is? 26? Yeah, it's 26.
Yeah.
Butler traffic, Skylane 42364 is 5 miles to the southwest, inbound runway 26, Butler.
Cessna 5123 Juliet, 1 to the north, entering a crosswind through 26 at Butler. Butler traffic, Cessna 141, left base, runway 26, Butler traffic.
All right, so we got somebody who's going to be coming in crosswind. You might have to go in behind him.
Yeah, should I just make a circle right now?
Oh, let's see how the timing works out.
Or I'm gonna go out this way a little.
Yep.
45.
Becoming traffic, Skyhawk 141, final, C6, touching go, Butler.
What should I call? I don't want to like cut him off.
Yeah, just do it right 360. That'll
Alright.
give them spacing.
Would you call that you're doing this? Oh,
Yeah.
Rusty, I haven't flown in a while.
I can't tell. Aren't you flattered?
Thank you. So flattered.
Oh, here's Adams Woods.
Yeah.
Nice. That's where I sold Jim
Becoming traffic,
and Jackie
Skyhawk
Merkel's
141
house.
going around.
Right
we
there.
have the over flying traffic in sight.
And Butler traffic, Cessna 23 Juliet, downwind for 26
Oh, that's my flying club colonel.
You know that guy?
Yeah, that's Roger.
Oh.
You know Roger.
Yeah, I know Roger.
There's Heartland Homes. I sold that farm for Marty Griffin.
How far are we? We are 3 miles, so 3 miles and entering on the 45 for the downwind.
Yep.
Butler traffic, Skylane 42364 is 3 miles to the south. We'll be entering on the 45, left downwind, runway 26, Butler.
Yep.
Got that guy in sight.
Yep. All right, I'll read the pre-landing check.
Butler traffic, number 5123 Juliet, turning final for 26.
Got that guy turning final. We're descending to 2250.
Pattern altitude is 2150, isn't it?
Yeah, might be, yeah.
Yep. All right, short field, climb, cruise. Yep. Good.
Butler traffic, Skylane 42364, left downwind, runway 26, Butler.
Okay, briefing, check. Carb heat.
Sky 92141, crosswind 26, Butler.
Carb heat would be fine.
RP.
Cowl flaps are still closed. Mixture is still set. Good. Prop, you can increase a little bit. Yep, that's good. Fuel selector, oh, put it on both.
Ooh. What we got checklists for.
Yep. And
Are you sure it's not 2250? 21?
yeah, stick with 2150.
Alright.
Okay, you put first notch of flaps in.
Butler traffic, Skyhawk 141, downwind runway 26, Butler traffic.
And Rome, we'll do a landing to a full stop taxi back.
Alright.
Okay. And you feel that engine miss occasionally?
Yeah.
But it's a little rich, so I'm gonna just lean it just a hair.
Okay.
Okay.
Yep. I'll make my base.
Yep. And well, are you sure? Does it look right to you? I'm not looking.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Butler traffic, Skylane 42364, turning left base, runway 26, Butler.
Before you turn your base, you should be below 110 miles an hour.
Okay.
And your second notch of flap should be in. So pull your nose up, get to 110.
I always put my flaps in after I like turn base.
Yeah, I don't like that.
Okay.
Now put your second notch in. Okay. Look, that was a little further.
Oh.
No, that was fine.
That's the
You're
index.
correct. You're correct. My bad. Okay. 80 on final.
Yep.
And make sure you don't land on the nose wheel first.
Yep. I'll turn final.
Yep. Visual 26.
Butler traffic, Skylane 42364, turning final, runway 26, Butler.
Okay, now we're really high, so full
Yeah.
flaps. And prop full forward. Good. Okay, now I have you set up with a glide slope. I have
cool.
it. Okay. I have the visual approach on for you. So, and you have the VASI. All right, so 80 miles an hour is what you want to hit, Rome.
Yep.
And you can go full mixture now. Okay, now I'm going to lean that just a hair.
Yeah, I heard that.
Okay. All right, all's looking good. This is your airplane. I'm not helping at all. Okay, 87. Slowing her down. Flare. Keep that nose up. Keep that nose up. Keep that nose up.
Butler traffic, Skyhawk 141, turning final, runway 26, Butler traffic.
Okay, perfect. So you'll get off on this taxiway to the right. I'm going to put your flaps up.
Thanks. A little of a flare. But
I liked it.
you hit the tail.
Yeah, getting off on Delta. Nice job.
Thanks.
Okay, we're going to taxi back to 26.